Hey, today I'll show you how to buy a game on Steam, and a quick disclaimer, no card information which are shown in this video are real, they are only for educational purposes only, okay? So that being said, let's see how can we buy a game on Steam. You have to head to the store and you can press on feature as an example, and here you can locate the discounts, the specials which you have. You either have a search bar, you can search here for your game if you want to find a specific game, or if you scroll down you'll find specials, but don't forget depends when you see this video, things will look different because Steam will all the time update things, right? So find the game which you like. As an example, I would like to buy Turmoil. It's a game which I remember when I was a child, and I like to buy it and try it, okay? It's also at a discount, full price $13, and right now it's $4.55. So I will press on add to cart, okay, once you are on the game page. And now if you want to add multiples games to the card, you can press continue shopping, but I want to head to my cart, so I'll press on view my cart, okay? And it seems like I have another game here, Plague Inc. I'll remove this one, and now I have only Turmoil. Let's press on continue to payment and see what we have here. Now you have to select a payment method. I will press on payment info. I can choose my Steam wallet because I have $6.31, and if I will select my Steam wallet, I can continue this payment. If I will mark this box, if I will agree with the terms and conditions, I'll really recommend you to read those. You can read the refund policy, because it's good to know that you can refund the game if you played it for less than 2 hours, and if you own the game for less than 14 days, for less than 2 weeks, you can refund that, okay? It's good to know, but I don't want to pay this with my Steam wallet. I want to pay it with a card, so I will have to choose what type of card it is. You also have the PaySafe card method. If you don't own a card, you can Google how to pay with PaySafe card. It's a cool method. You don't need an actual card to pay with this. So here you can choose your method: PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. My card, it's a Visa, so I'll select Visa. Enter your card number. Let me fill this with some information so you can understand how all this will look like. Alright, and I fill this with a fictive card which doesn't exist. Your card number, you have to enter here your card number, the 16 number digits on your card, the expiration date, the month and the year, also the security code from the back of the card, okay? Full name, last name, city, street and number, postal code, and your phone number, and of course your country. After you fill this with your information, you can select also save my payment information, so the next time when you want to purchase something, this card will be saved on Steam. But if you don't want to save your card, you can just press continue to pay the game. But now I will fill this with my actual card and press on continue, but I will blur this information, okay? Now I can read the terms and conditions. After you've done that, you can mark this box I agree and press on purchase, and I selected my card. I enter my information back there, and it seems like I have to authenticate that from my phone really quick. Let me open the Revolut app because I use the Revolut app. If it's the same case for you, what you have to do, open your bank application on your phone, and you have to confirm the payment from there, as I did right now. And now I just purchased the game, okay? Now I can head to library, press on home. I have many games. I will search in the search bar Turmoil, and this is the game which I just bought. I can press on install, and after it is fully downloaded and installed, I can hit play. So this was the tutorial how to buy games on Steam. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.